Hi students, we are going to go through your first assignment. So basically what we're looking for is main term, your carryover lines, your subterms. So make sure you go back to the definitions of all of these. So let's just start here with number one. As you can see, it's main term, it's flush to the left, okay? So the same thing with number two. Now number three, what we're looking at here is the second line that I have the little circle here, but it says raised, see also elevated, antibody, titer. So it's a carryover line because we have not finished everything with that first line. So it's a carryover, okay? So now number four, once again, it's flush to right here to the left. So it's a main term. And then we have another carryover because once again, it leads us to the second line, see also Hunt's disease. So where we have number five, it's going to be a carryover. Now number six, we have a hyphen. There isn't anything ahead of it because we're finished here with number five, so that's going to be a subterm because once again, it gives us a little hyphen. Same thing you look down here. Rape is going to be our main term because it's flush to the side. Okay, and then we have all these subterms underneath it. None of these are carryover, okay, because again, they end with a code. So we have here, we have the subterm, we go down to our main term, and then number 8 would be a subterm. Number 9, subterm, and number 10, subterm. Okay, so now I'm going to go through the answers for exercise 2.1. Let's go ahead and look at J40. Okay, referring to, let me make this a little bit bigger for now, to the title and inclusion notes for J40, mark an X next to each of the diagnostic statements listed below that's included in J40. Okay, so right here is our J40. Now when you look up J40, this is in your tabular, not the alpha. Okay, so we're looking this up in the tabular, which is the second portion of your ICD-10 CM book. So right here, let me pull this back up, we have the first ones included right there. Chronic bronchitis, okay, that is not included, does not state it, neither is allergic. Tracheobronchitis, right here, it's included. So these here are all included, but asthmatic bronchitis is not. It's not listed here. Okay. One good thing here, remember our words on excludes one. That means it's not coded here. Okay, and that's where that is right there. And if we look up here, bronchitis not specified as acute or chronic. So once again, so that's why we're not checking chronic either. So if anybody has any questions on 2.1, hopefully this helps you understand what needs to be included and not included. Okay, so when we go through here, same thing. We have D04.5, and this isn't an O, it's a 0. It's very important in ICD-10 to make sure you distinguish between 0 and O. So let's go see here what's all included in D04.5. Right here, we have carcinoma in situ of the anal margin. It's included. Perianal skin, included. So X. Skin of the breast, included. Carcinoma in situ of just the breast. Right here, we don't have of just the breast. It has to be skin. So looking through here, this is not included. So this would have to be a different code. And then our last one is anal skin. It's also included. So again, if anybody has any questions over this assignment, please let me know. Just send me an email. And once again, you can play this video over and over, and you can pause it throughout.